Hello and welcome back to the channel. In recent days we have seen a pullback on the Bitcoin price, just as it was about to break the $100,000 level. Bitcoin market participants are divided on the significance of the $100,000 price milestone. This week, Bitcoin sealed another record weekly close, despite a brief dip to $95,800. Traders are increasingly taking risks, leading to $500 million in liquidations. The battle to cross the $100,000 mark intensifies, with sell-side liquidity replenishing. Traders like Skew emphasize the importance of reclaiming $98,500. Dan Crypto Trades notes a gap in CME Group's Bitcoin futures market, suggesting potential recovery as prices approach all-time highs. However, liquidity data indicates a possible dip below $90,000, with $88,500 showing more liquidity than the upside. Predictions for Bitcoin's end-of-year price average around $127,000, but bulls face immediate challenges with the upcoming November monthly close. At $98,000, Bitcoin achieved its highest weekly close ever on November 24. November's performance is on track to be the best in 5 years, with Q4 gains at 54.5%. Despite this, the $100,000 mark remains elusive, prompting some traders to prepare for potential corrections. Trader Crypto Fella highlights the psychological significance of $100,000 for institutions. Others, however, see little importance behind $100,000, a level still untouched in Bitcoin's history and, as such, no more than a collection of digits on a screen. $100,000 is not a technical level. It is not a psychological level as well. Fellow trader Axel Kabar argued this weekend, it holds no technical importance. Kabar suggests the next significant level could be closer to $140,000, while CoinGlass shows Ask Liquidity just below $100,000, indicating potential selling pressure. As we head into Thanksgiving, U.S. macroeconomic data could introduce volatility. Key events include the Federal Reserve's meeting minutes and the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) index, which is crucial for inflation tracking. Markets are uncertain about future Fed policy, especially with inflation rising and unemployment increasing. The chance of a December rate cut has decreased, most recently, Fed Chair Powell indicating a cautious approach, saying they're not in a hurry to cut rates just 2 months after starting cuts with a 50 basis points reduction for the first time since 2008. Core CPI inflation is now back on the rise and has been above 3% for 43 straight months, Kobeissi said this weekend. Profit-taking among long-term holders is rising, with realized profits hitting $443 million on November 22. On-chain analytics reveal that unrealized profit levels are elevated, suggesting many holders are tempted to sell. Short-term holders are also active, with profit-taking potentially affecting Bitcoin's price momentum. Historically, when the short-term spent-output profit ratio reaches 1.02, Bitcoin often experiences pullbacks. Currently, this ratio suggests a possible correction as Bitcoin nears $100,000. Meanwhile, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds are seeing record inflows, which could counteract sell-side pressure. November is shaping up to be a record month for Bitcoin ETFs, with nearly $7 billion in net inflows. The latest data from sources, including UK-based investment firm Farside Investors, shows the extent of interest in the US ETFs. The 5 trading days through November 22 saw total net inflows of $3.35 billion, more than any other week. If this trend continues, it could lead to a strong breakout beyond $100,000. In summary, while the $100,000 milestone looms large, market dynamics, profit-taking behavior, and macroeconomic factors will play critical roles in Bitcoin's near-term price action. The interplay between institutional interest and retail trading will be pivotal as the market navigates this crucial period. Thank you for your watching this video. Please comment below if you are selling or buying at this current price. Remember, investing is risky and it is important to do your own research and get expert advice before. Please click on the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for get more similar content as it released.